dogs. Big dog pulling a little dog. Little dog pulling a big dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Brown, black and white dogs. Hello, do you like my hat? No, I do not like your hat. Goodbye. 3 dogs in cars. 2 dogs out of their cars. 4 little dogs going down. 2 big dogs coming up. 1 dog in a house. 1 dog on a house. 2 big dogs going in. 4 little dogs coming out. Hello, do you like my hat? No, I do not like that hat. Goodbye. 1 dog under a ladder. 1 dog up on a ladder. Two dogs in the water. 5 dogs outside. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Where are those dogs going? For a dog party. Now do you like my hat? Yes, I do like your hat. Goodbye. Narration by Jet Sad.